So the very first thing I want to start with is the Windows app. So many of you are using the Windows app for a cloud hosting environment with us. And if you're not, you might be using the Red Circle Remote Desktop, which is like very similar. And I see people where they're like, they have weird experiences with their monitors and stuff. So if you go to this more options in your Windows app and you go to settings, these are some really important settings. So you can set up the Windows app to take up all displays. So whether you have 2 monitors, 3 monitors, 4 monitors, you can set that up to take up all those displays. You also can set it up to set up a single display. So this way it'll take up only one monitor. And then you can set it up to take up select displays. So I could say, I just want this on monitors 1 and 3. This is my monitor setup right here. Now, I think that, people go to this all displays and they like it. And so sometimes they want to take up all 3 of their monitors, and then other times they windowize it and they make it smaller. And then you get a weird experience where you're scrolling between the different monitors. So if you have the all displays, you can check this box for single display when windowed. That way it'll take up all 3 of your monitors. Then if you windowize it, it'll go to just one screen and won't have that weird cross monitor scroll situation. By the way, this is a little bit of like a potpourri in tips and tricks, so it is maybe going to feel a little bit all over the place, but that's okay. The idea is just to cover all the important ones. All right, so next one on the list. This is very basic, but it came up internally, and Matt was blown away by it. I hate the desktop icons. They drive me nuts. And I know people, there's kind of like one of two kinds of people. One is the type of people that have every single file they've ever used in their entire life on their desktop. And the other are people that hate everything on their desktop. So if you're the latter there, you can right click on your desktop. You can go to, wow, my view. Yes, there it is. Sorry, under view and show desktop icon. So if I uncheck this, I have a nice clean desktop every time.